Find the area of the triangle given ABC. Now they give you 3 sides. So let's go through and draw just a quick triangle. It doesn't have to be exact. I know 2 of them are bigger. They're actually different sizes. So let's just go and draw a generic triangle. And we're just going to label ABC. We're not going to worry about being accurate on the triangle. And I'm just going to label A, B, and C. So therefore A is 85, B will be 105, and C will be 162. Now, to be able to find the area, we need to be able to find 2 sides, which are there. I'm just going to use this 2. It doesn't matter which ones you use. And we need to be able to find the angle in between. So therefore, I need to find B. Since I need to find B, and I don't have any of the other angles, I'm forced to use the law of cosines. So find B. And since we're looking for angle B, I'm going to start with 105 squared equal to the other 2 sides squared. It's 162 squared plus 85 squared minus 2. 162 repeated, 85 repeated, and the cosine of the angle in between, and that's what I'm looking for. Now, one of the most common mistakes is that people multiply everything at once in their calculator. I'm going to calculate this in the calculator. I'm going to calculate this since they're adding, and then this will be separate. So 105 squared is, and you're going to end up with large numbers, so just hang in there. You have 162 squared. 85 squared minus, and I said I was going to type this in the calculator. I'll go and add it on the next step. And let me just type this into calculator together. So times 162 times 85. So we 27540 and cosine of B. So let me go and add those 2 quantities. So I can just do 162 squared plus 85 squared. So now I have to rewrite it. And now I can solve the equation. So I'm going to move this to the left, becomes a negative. So negative 22444 equal to negative 27,540 cosine of B. So now I'm going to divide by negative 27,540 divide by negative 27,540. That cancels. So divide by, where's my negative? So therefore the cosine of B is equal to 0.81. I'm only done to the calculator. I'm just going to take the inverse of that, of my answer. And that gives me B is equal to 35 degrees. It's 35.4, but we're just going to round it up to 35. I'm going to leave that into the calculator so I can actually just use the result and get more exact answer. So this is 35. So now I can find the area. To find the area is 1/2 the 2 sides multiplied together, multiplied by the sine of the angle in between, which is 35 degrees. Remember, for the area, you're using sine. And I still have my answer in there. So therefore, I'm just going to use 0.5 multiplied by 162. And you guys were not able to see this, right? And multiplied by 85 and multiplied by the sine of my result, which is area is equal to 3989.9. So in this case, we're going to round it up to 3,990 feet square.